Hey there, Brian Ensminger here from the Engaging Missions show. I'm just going to take a few minutes to show you how I create the Amazon product boxes that you see occasionally on the pages and posts that I put up. And it's really just 3 simple steps to add them to your WordPress page or post. This is coming because someone asked me how I did it, and I thought, a video is probably the easiest way to do this. So rest assured, this isn't going to take long. It's not that hard, and I'm going to show you one step at a time exactly how we do that. But first, let's talk about what exactly I mean. So if you're looking at a recent radio show page or post rather, for example, my interview with Steve Bremner, who's a missionary to Peru, you'll see that in the resources section, I have these Amazon featured product boxes. These are 2 books that he recommended in his interview, and I wanted to make them available for people to purchase. Putting those in was actually fairly easy, and that's what we're going to go through today, is exactly how to create these. So what are the steps that we're talking about? Well, first we're going to find or create a spot in our page or post for the product box. Second, we're going to use Amazon to create a special code that we're going to insert. And then third, we're going to use a WordPress power feature to insert that special code. Now, before we go on, I would like to give you a free gift. I've got a free download available if you subscribe to the Engaging Missions newsletter. I promise there won't be any spam. You can unsubscribe at any time, and you can get that by going to engagingmissions.com/free. That's engagingmissions.com/free. Now back to the show. First, we're going to create a spot. Now, this works for any WordPress page or post. It can be one that you're creating brand new, or it can be an existing page or post. So you can go back and edit if you'd like. There are some plugins available to help with this kind of thing, but I'll be honest, each one has its own little quirks. I don't use any of them right now, but I have considered them. If you want to check those out, you're certainly welcome to. But what I'm going to show you is just the really simple copy and paste method. So let's go over to my current WordPress site. This is the Engaging Missions website, and what we're looking at here is just a list of pages. What I'm going to do is create a brand new page so that you can watch me go through this. So I'm going to hit Add New, and when it comes up, then I'm going to give it a title. And then we'll go back to the flow. So this will be the video page. All right, so I've done that. I've got a new page. I haven't saved it or anything. I've just got a spot that I'm going to put that in. And now we're going to go on. So we've created a spot. Now we're going to go create a special code. Now to do this, you do need to be an Amazon associate. It's really not that hard. All you have to do is go to affiliate-program.amazon.com, and you can apply there. It may take them a few days to approve you, but that is a necessary step. Then we'll find the product we want to feature. We're going to grab one link or click on one link, and then we're going to grab the code. So we'll go back to my web browser. We're going to go to Amazon, and in the interview with Steve Bremner, he didn't talk about this book, but it's a book that he's written. So I want to go ahead and grab that one. So this one's called Increase Your Faith, Practical Steps to Help You Believe for the Impossible. Now this will work for an Amazon book. It will work for anything that's available for sale on Amazon. So here I am on the product page. You can see that it's available by Kindle, and then there also is a paperback version. I'm just going to do the Kindle version because it's easiest right now. Not that the process is any different, but I don't have to click any more links. I'm going to go right up here to the header that is available when you're an Amazon associate, and I'm going to hit link to this page. And the first thing it's going to do after it gets started is it's going to create some custom HTML or some custom code. It's already got my Amazon affiliate link on there, which does mean that if someone clicks on this, I may get a few cents from that purchase. And the very first thing it wants to offer is text and image. And this is what we're talking about. This creates this featured product box that we've seen. So all I have to do is come down here, hit highlight HTML, and then copy that. And I'm doing that with a keyboard shortcut. All right, so I've done all of this now. I've created the link, I've grabbed the code, and now we're going to move on. So we're going to insert the code using our WordPress editor. Now, we can't insert it using the normal editor. If you've ever tried to insert some HTML code or some web code into a WordPress page or post using the normal editor, the graphic what you see is what you get editor, what you've discovered is that when it publishes, rather than getting the output of the code, you just get a list of the code, which is not what we want. So we're going to switch to text mode. That's a special editor function available in WordPress. Other content management systems have similar things, but we're using WordPress. We're going to paste in the code, and then we're going to hit save, and then we're done. So we'll go back here. I've grabbed the code already. We're going to go to this brand new page, and all I have to do is come over here and hit text. This takes me to the text editor, and I can paste that in. I've done that using a keyboard shortcut, and you can see exactly the code that I've pasted in. I can go back to visual, and what we see is this code where it shows that there's something there, but we can't really see what it is in the editor. All right. Now I'm going to hit save. I'm not going to publish this just yet because I want to insert this as part of the video page later when I put this up on the website. But I do want to see what it's going to do. So I've hit save, and then I'm going to hit preview. And that will pull up the preview of what we've done. We're going to wait for that for just a second, maybe a few seconds. This has the video page and nothing but this product box. But we've checked it. We've got exactly what we want. So again, the steps they're really simple. You just create a place to put it, grab the special code using Amazon, and then copy and paste it using the WordPress text editor. And then we've got the final product that we just looked at. If you liked this video, it would be great if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you would grab that free gift at engagingmissions.com. And if you're interested in missions, you could check out the Engaging Missions online radio show. This is where I connect with and interview missionaries from around the world. Some are in the States in North America. Some are all over the place. And we just share the stories of what God's done in their lives. If you like that kind of thing, it'd be great if you subscribe. And you can do that by visiting engagingmissions.com/iTunes.